granite or igneous rocks. This is one of the continuous range. As in map I have explained you, this is continuous range. There is no break in this range. Second, Himachal range is made up of altered rocks. आपकी altered rocks, this is also sedimentary rocks, और mostly it is made up of altered rocks. जगह जगह पर इसमें breaks हैं, and it is the most discontinuous range. This Shivalik range is made up of unconsolidated sediments. Sediments means including silt, gravel and other rock particles brought by the rivers. So unconsolidated, and that is why Shivalik range is most of the landslides happens in Shivalik range, because it is made up of unconsolidated sediments, and this is also one of the discontinuous range. These are the different features. Next, when we talk about the climate, so in Himadri range, because it is a snow bound range throughout the year, most of the peaks or the ranges of the Himadri are occupied by snow. So the climate is always harsh and extreme cold, and most of the peaks are snow bound, and all the glaciers like Siachen, like other glaciers you have heard about, all such glaciers are found here with Himadri range. And the highest peak, the peaks, most of the peaks also lies with this range. Himachal range is having moderate climate and seasonal snowfall. आपके जो हिमाचल रेंज है यहाँ पर moderate आपका रहता है climate, और जो snowfall है that is also seasonal. Okay. Then Shivalik range, this Shivalik range is also having moderate temperature and सीजनल रेनफॉल स्नोफॉल. यहाँ पे भी बेटा आपका जो स्नोफॉल है वो सीजनल है, जैसे देहरादून वगैरह है, ये आपकी शिवालिक रेंज में आता है. एंड अगर आपने कभी नोटिस किया हो तो यहाँ पर भी आपका सीजनल स्नोफॉल है, रेगुलर नहीं है. So here the climate remains moderate. The same happened with the Himachal range also. Moderate temperature or seasonal snowfall. Next, the other name of these ranges. Other names. This Himadri range is also known as Himalayan mountain or Great Himalaya. These are the other names for Himadri range. This is Himachal is known as Lesser Himalaya. शिवालिक इज नोन एज आउटर हिमालय. नेक्स्ट, इसको कैसे नाउ important peaks. Most of the peaks lies with Himadri range. Mount Everest, as you can see, it is there in दिख ही नहीं रहा. Now peaks, most of the peaks lies with the Himadri range. As you can see, Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi, Namcha Barwa, etc. Here you can see Himachal range is basically famous for hill ranges and hill stations like Pir Panjal range. This is the important range. Dhauladhar, Mahabharat. These are some important ranges, and along with this ranges, here we find the different hill stations or other valleys like Kullu Valley, like Mussoorie, like Nainital. These are the different hill stations along with this. Then after Shivalik range basically is famous for its longitudinal valleys. These longitudinal valleys lies between the Lesser Himalaya and the Shivalik range. शिवालिक और लेसर हिमालय के बीच में कुछ आपकी longitudinal valleys हैं. These longitudinal valleys are known as dunes, like Dehradun, Kotli Dun, Patli Dun you can see. Okay. So these are different features of the three ranges of Himalayan mountain. And beta, this only if you remember in your tips, or if you keep in your tips, so it will be easy for you to compare or to write your own answer. Now, apart from longitudinal division of Himalayan mountain, there is some regional division of Himalayan mountain from west to east, and this regional division is demarcated by the river valleys. ये जो आपका रीजनल डिवीज़न है हिमालयन माउंटेन का, वो आपकी डिफरेंट रिवर वैलीज के थ्रू के बेस पर है. सो हियर यू कैन सी द फर्स्ट इज पंजाब हिमालय. पंजाब हिमालय, this is Punjab Himalaya. This Punjab Himalaya lies between the Indus and Satluj river. This whole